Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your phone to play sound when the iPhone is powered on or off on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the hearing section and tap on audio and visual. Next, in here, tap on power on and off sounds. Make sure this is turned on. When this is turned on, it will play a sound when you try to switch off the device or switch it back on. So here I will switch it off and you will hear it play a sound. Okay, now I will switch it back on and you will hear it play a sound again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.